Hey, what's up JVs and affiliates? John Armstrong here with the launch announcement on the JV page for Auto High Ticket Cloaker. Now this is going to be going live on the 13th of May at 8 AM Eastern Standard Time. It's going to be a quick 5-day launch and we guarantee that we're going to line your pockets with gold. How can I guarantee this? Well, the product itself is epic. It's been put together by Robin Palmer. It's going to basically show your subscribers how Robin is making consistent $1,000 paydays without any kind of following, without any kind of social media following or any kind of paid ads or email or any of the usual stuff. He's doing it using this secret auto high ticket cloaking method, which he's going to explain to you in the front end. Now, the copy has also been put together by none other than Tommy, who is an absolute master at persuasive copy. He's written he's written the sales page script, he's written the VSL script, all the upsell scripts, so we're pretty confident this is going to convert really well. I'm going to be doing the front end VSL and the OTO videos myself. We've also got Sedfree, who is an absolute wizard when it comes to design, and he's going to make all the pages look really, really professional. We've also got 100% commission on many of the upsells and obviously on the front end as well. So that's going to, again, line your pockets with money. And last but not least, we have the best JV manager in the history of Warrior Plus helping us with our JV recruitment. So if you need anything, reach out to Paula Marie Roberts. Her details are further down on the JV page. Now I'm going to hand you over to Robin, who's going to explain more about what the product itself actually does. So we'll see you on the 13th of May at 8 AM Eastern Standard Time. We'll look forward to making everybody some good money.
So let's have a quick glance at the funnel. The front end, the auto high ticket cloaker, is going to cost $17.97 and you get 100% commissions on this. The front end is going to explain exactly how to stay invisible and how you can let our AI hunt high ticket sales online and wake up richer. And of course, we're including bonuses, 4 of them. Then we have an order bump for $9.97, also 100% commissions on this one, which is called the high ticket closer footage. And you're going to get the behind the scenes of actual results from using this same system. Now, the OTO number 1 is the profit generator. It comes in 3 levels or 3 options, one for $27, $47 and $197. This comes with our done for you affiliate page generator and up to 5 high ticket income streams and 365 done for you emails, and then 50% on the $197 option. So basically this comes with a done for you affiliate page generator, plus it comes with up to 5 high ticket income streams and 365 done for you emails. Now the OTO number 2 is the one-click commissions boosters for $97, where you're going to be earning 50% on this as well. This is an instant opt-in generator, which equals instant leads and of course, instant money. And then we have the OTO number 3, which is the reseller license, $97. You're going to be getting 50% commissions on this one. And this basically gives your customers 100% profits on the entire funnel, plus the ability to use our custom made software, which they can use to generate unlimited emails instantly. So ping our JV manager, Paula Marie, if you need help. You're going to be able to see all her details below, Facebook, Teams, or email, and she will hook, line, and sinker your promo to cash in.